Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do a very quick video on how to service your industrial sewing machine. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to gauge your oil. Most times your machine is not faulty, but all you need to do is just clean it up and it will be in check. You understand? It's not every time that you always call someone to come and fix something. Once you do all these things and follow all these simple steps, your machine will always be up and running. You understand? So I'm just going to be showing you all you need to be doing, probably monthly or weekly, as the case may be. Now, when you are matching on your machine, your industrial machine, if there is no oil that is coming out, hope you can see the oil that is coming out there. If there is no oil there, then you should probably check and be sure that there is oil here. You understand? I noticed that most people don't even know that there should be oil here. You understand? Now this is the gauge. This one is currently low. You understand? The oil should be high. But the main point is let there be oil in the machine. You understand? So the purpose of this oil is that this pump, when you match on the machine, when you are working with it, oil pumps through the machine. You understand? There is a pump that pumps oil through the machine. This pump right here pumps oil through the machine. You understand? So if there is no oil in the machine, then the machine is not going to be working perfectly, and then it will be making a lot of noise, because as you already know, oil helps to lubricate the parts of the machine. You understand? So the next thing you're also going to do is to clean up this place. You understand? You can see how dirty this one is looking. So you're just going to get our brush and clean it up as quickly as possible. You understand? So since I still have oil here, I'm still going to top it up, but let us do the cleaning aspect first of all. You understand? You should probably be doing this at least once every month. At least once every month you clean up your machine, service it, apply oil in the necessary places, which I'm going to be showing you in this video, and then make sure that there is oil in the machine. Then that's all you need to do, and you're always going to be good to go. You understand? Your machine will never give you an issue. You understand? So when you open it up, clean all these areas as you can see in the video. Make sure that you remove every particles. Now what this thing is, one of the disadvantages of not cleaning your machine is that it is going to, with time, it is going to be slow. You notice that when you are stepping on it, it is not going to be running very fast, because these dates that I'm removing now most times cover the teeth of the machine, and you already know that the teeth helps to push the fabric. You understand? So if these dates cover these places, then it is going to affect the movement of the machine. Now the next thing is to open this part. You understand? I've removed the nuts already, so then you just unscrew them and open it just as you can see in this video now, and then clean up the teeth. You can see the dirt I'm removing there. You understand? Then clean it up as I'm doing in the video. Clean it up, make sure that you're cleaning every part of it. You understand? Cleaning this machine with the way I'm doing it now is not going to affect your sewing machine. It is not going to affect it negatively. You understand? So make sure that you are going to be doing this often. You don't even need to call someone. As you can see, I'm using my needle. I'm using a needle or a pin rather to clean the teeth areas, to remove the dirt that cover the teeth. You understand? So that it will be free to be running as fast as I want it. And then while I'm cleaning, I'm still stepping on it. You understand? To check the motion. You understand? Something like that. Then I'm now going to apply a machine oil at the teeth, this area that I opened right now. Just going to apply a machine oil there. So I'm just going to apply a machine oil on this area. So let me just bring the camera a little closer so you see that hole right there. You know, if you can see the hole right there, apply oil there on all those areas, the foot You understand? So I advise that while you work in a month, one day you just take off one day. Some people do it every Saturday, but you can do it once in a month, one day, either Mondays or any day you know you're not going to be very active at work. You just do it and leave it till the next day. Then once you come back, your machine is good to go and it's sounding very nice, as clean as a new one. You understand? So now the next thing I'm going to do is open up this area. Now all you need to do here is just to lose the nuts here. It's not really a big deal. Just lose these 3 nuts here and you open it up. You see the kind of dirt that is going to be accumulated there. Then you clean them up, apply oil there also. Understand? These areas are areas that helps your machine move smoothly. You understand? You can see how dirty this one is looking. Then use your brush and clean them up very well. Use your brush and clean them up very well. At some point I was even blowing breeze there. Make sure that I blow off every dirt, that the ones that my brush cannot reach. You can see that's what I'm doing right now. To blow off the ones that my brush cannot get to. You understand? Now once I'm done with that, I apply oil then. Don't be economical with the oil. Make sure you apply. That's why you do it when you're not working with it. You understand? When you're not going to work with it, maybe you do it in the evening and then leave it till the next day. Because if you apply oil and then you use the machine while it is still oily, it might get your work dirty or even stain the work. So don't be economical with the oil. You can see how dirty this cover is looking, so you brush it off. You understand? The Bible says cleanliness is next to godliness. You get? So at this point I will indulge you to like, share and subscribe, right? Leave a message in the comment section if you learned, or if you do this once in a while, once in a month, once in a week. I would like to know. So just leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So once you're done, you just tight them back. As simple as that. So these are just the basic areas that you need to apply oil. Open these areas and then clean them up. And then you notice that your machine will never need a repairer to come and look at it or check it out. This machine is getting to over 2 years plus now, and I've not had any issue with it. It runs smoothly. The stitches are always very smooth and clean. It doesn't jump and all that because I always take out time to clean them. Make sure that it's in good condition, you understand? So once you're done with that, tight everything that you lose and clean it up. You understand? Rub off, clean off the oils everywhere that dirt are, and leave it for at least some hours. Once you come back, you'll find out that your machine is in a good and perfect condition. Thanks for watching. Like, share, like I said before, and I'll see you in the next one.